If your lips are still dry, even though you've been using chapstick all day long, you actually might be making it worse. I tested chapstick versus a natural lip balm, and what happened honestly surprised me. One side actually got drier over time. Hey, beautiful souls, I'm Janice Story, founder of AJ's Infusions, where we turn natural wellness into luxurious self care. And today we're putting chapstick head to head with a truly natural solution. I tested both on my lips the same day, the same conditions, and I paid attention to what actually happened over time, not just how it felt at first, but what happened after it wore off, because that's where the real truth shows up. So, on this side, I used standard chapstick. You know, the one that you keep in your purse, in your car, in your pocket. You're constantly reaching for it. Most of these products contain petroleum, mineral oil, paraffin, and here's what I started noticing. It doesn't actually fix the dryness, it just kind of like sits there and feels waxy, almost like a layer that never really sinks in. Have you ever felt like you use more chapstick and the more you use it, the more you need it, right? Like you put it on and 10 minutes later, your lips feel dry all over again. That's exactly what's happening. If I didn't keep reapplying, my lips felt tight and dry, sometimes even like a little flaky. Now, on this side, I used our own handcrafted AJ's EO Infusions lip butter scrub. This is the travel size. And the difference, immediate, right? This one is made with shea butter, coconut oil, beeswax, and pure essential oils. Ingredients that actually like soak in and support your lips instead of just sitting there on top. It's creamy, it's not greasy, it just like smells heavenly. It melts in right away, and my lips felt softer and smoother, like that tight, dry filling just relaxed. And then here's what really got me. That softness didn't go away. After a little while, the difference became even more obvious. And the chapstick side felt very kind of coated and sticky, like I needed to reapply it again already. But then this side, the natural side, felt so hydrated, smooth, and comfortable. It had no tightness, no like cracking filling. Now, there was no where's my chapstick panic, and I honestly felt like one side had the coating that just sat there, and then the other side actually soaked in and gave my lips what they needed. And this isn't just about how it feels in the moment. When you use ingredients like shea butter, the natural oils, you're actually like helping your lips stay softer longer so that you're not in that stuck in that constant cycle of reapplying over and over and over again. So for me, there's really no comparison. If you've tried lip balm and you're reapplying and you're tired of your lips feeling dry 5 minutes later, you're tired of constantly trying to find your chapstick, and believe you and me, I was a chapstick girl. I kept it everywhere. in my pocket, in my jacket, in my desk, on my desk. Like I always had chapstick. So if you just want to make your lips feel soft and smooth and taken care of, definitely natural wins every time. And that's exactly why I created our lip butter scrubs and balms at AJ's EO Infusions. I wanted something that, actually works, not just something that, sits on your lips. We start with a gentle scrub to lift that dry, flaky layer, and then we follow with that deep moisture that leaves your lips feeling so soft. And I don't know if you can see this, but I have quite a bit from this little container that I have. So it's like giving your lips a reset that they've been asking for. So if you're ready to stop the cycle of dry, tight lips and finally feel a real difference, click the link below and try it for yourself. And then tell me in the comments, have you ever felt like you couldn't leave the house without your chapstick? And if you want to learn more about how to switch to natural products that actually work with your body, make sure that you tune in every Wellness Wednesday for the podcast. We break it down like step by step. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural beauty wellness tips. And I'll see you in the next video.